Hello children, today we are going to learn about adjectives. What are adjectives? As you have studied in your previous classes also. Adjectives are the words that describe nouns. What are nouns? Noun is the name of person, place or a thing. So I can give you an example like Rahul is a smart boy. So here boy is noun and smart is adjective. And adjective smart is describing about a boy. I have a blue pen. So pen here is noun and blue is adjective, which is telling us that which color of pen I am having. So adjectives are the words which describe nouns which tell more about nouns. Adjective answers such questions as what kind, which one, how many, what kind of person he is very smart. So it is giving answer of these kind of questions. So he is very smart. So here smart is adjective. Which one would you like to have? Again it is giving me example of adjective. I would like to have red shirt. So here red is an adjective. How many students are there in the class? There are 45 students in the class. So it is adjective of number. That how many students are there in the class? 45 students. So further we are going to know about the kinds of adjectives. Let us know that adjectives can be used to describe color. Example blue, red, green, brown, purple, yellow, black, magenta, any color. If you are saying that is an adjective. Opinion, good, pretty, right, wrong, funny, light, happy. Size, big, small, tall, long, short. Age, old or young. Shape, round, triangle, rectangular, square, oval. Origin, German, Malaysian, Indian, French, Chinese. Material, glass, metal, iron. Distance, long, short, near, far. Temperature, cold, warm, hot, cool. Time, late, early, before. Now let us know about the types of adjectives. First one is qualitative or descriptive adjective. Second one is quantitative adjective. Third one is demonstrative adjective. And fourth is possessive adjective. Fifth one is interrogative adjective. Sixth, distributive adjective. And seven, compound adjective. We are going to learn about them one by one. Qualitative and descriptive adjective, which describe the quality of a person or a thing, like general description, physical, age, size, shape, color, material, origin, and purpose. Example, tall, excellent, slim, young, square, plastic. This tall girl is my classmate. This slim girl is my friend. The students achieved excellent results. So here excellent is qualitative adjective which is describing the quality. Again that tall girl is my classmate, again the quality, it is describing the quality. So it is a qualitative adjective. Quantitative adjectives to indicate the number or amount of a thing. For example, some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, whole, several. Example, she found many pens under the table. So here we are getting to know the quantity, like how many pens under the table, how many pens she found under the table. Okay, so here many is in quantitative adjective. There was no milk in the jug. Again it is telling us the quantity, that how much milk in the jug. There was no milk in the jug. There are 37 students in the class. How many students are there in the class? There are 30 students in the class. So it gives the answer of question how many or how much. Okay. So here 27 is quantitative adjective, whether it is telling us number or quantity of anything. Like I have 5 kg apples. So here I am telling you the quantity, that how many apples I am having. I am having 5 kg of apples. I have some milk in my jug. Again, I am telling you the quantity, that I am having some milk. Some is quantitative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. To point out nouns. This, that, these, those. So here there is a difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns, which we need to understand. If these words like this, that, these, those follows the verb, like you can see in this example, this is my friend. So here after this is verb is coming. If verb is there after this, that, these, those, then it is demonstrative pronoun. But if after these words, this, that, these, those, nouns are there, like this bag is mine. So you can see after this bag is noun. So it is demonstrative adjective. After these words, if a noun is coming, then it is demonstrative adjective. If a verb is coming, it is demonstrative pronoun. Like in, you can see in these examples, this is my friend Dina. So here it is demonstrative pronoun. Those books belong to her. So after those, you can see books is a noun. So it is demonstrative adjective. Interrogative adjectives used with noun to ask questions. Example: what, whose, where, why, how, and which. Same rule follow with interrogative adjectives also. If after these question words, if a verb is coming, then it is interrogative pronoun. If a noun is coming, then it is interrogative adjective. Like whose pen is this? So you can see here after whose noun is there, noun pen is there. So it is interrogative adjective. Which way shall we go? Again, way is noun here. So it is interrogative adjective. Interrogative pronoun, I can give you example, which is your pen. So after which verb is coming. So it is interrogative pronoun. Possessive adjectives used to show possession like my, your, his, her, our, their, its. Again, we have to know the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. After these possessive words, if a verb is coming, then it is possessive pronoun. If a noun is coming, then it is possessive adjective. Example, this house is mine. So you can see here mine. After mine, no noun is there. So it is possessive pronoun. This is my house. So after my, noun house is coming. So it is possessive adjective. Some more examples. This is her hat. So you can see here after possessive word, it follows the noun. Noun is their hat. So it is possessive adjective. Their parents. Again, their after their parents has come. Okay, so it is possessive adjective. Came to my house yesterday. Again, after my, noun house is coming. So it is possessive adjective. I hope the concept is clear to you all. So rest we will learn in next class. Thank you, children.